Forget everything you know about EV range anxiety. This is the 2026 BYD Seal 07 EV, and it just set a new world record for efficiency. With an energy consumption of just 10.8 kilowatts per 100 kilometers, it's officially more efficient than a Tesla Model 3. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today we're looking at the car that's coming for the Toyota Camry's crown. It's longer, smarter, and ready to go 705 kilometers on a single charge. Let's dive in. The magic starts under the skin with the e-Platform 3.0 Evo. This isn't just an update, it's a total rethink. The Seal 07 EV uses an 81 electric powertrain that achieves 89% efficiency. The rear-mounted motor pumps out 240 kilowatts. That's roughly 322 horsepower, propelling this 5-meter-long sedan to a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour. And thanks to the Blade battery tech, it can handle ultra-fast charging, recovering 500 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. Look closely at the roof, that's a LiDAR sensor. For 2026, the Seal 07 EV debuts the God's Eye 5.0 driving suite. This is level 2++ autonomy, handling city navigation, highway merges, and complex parking with zero driver input. Inside, the Ocean aesthetics continue with a massive 15.6-inch rotatable screen and a new column-mounted shifter that opens up the center console. You're getting 10-layer cloud-feeling seats that are heated, ventilated, and massaged. It feels like a $60,000 German luxury car, but the price tag tells a very different story. Dimensionally, this thing is a beast. At nearly 5 meters long, it's larger than a Camry, giving you massive rear legroom. The exterior is all about the closed-face design. It's sleek, minimalist, and boasts a drag coefficient that's among the best in the world. With hidden door handles and a full-width water-drop LED tail bar, it looks like it was carved by the wind. This is the new standard for the modern executive sedan. The 2026 BYD Seal 07 EV proves that you don't have to sacrifice range for luxury. It's efficient, it's intelligent, and it's surprisingly affordable. Is this the best electric sedan of 2026? Tell us what you think. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'll see you in the next one.